everyone, welcome to my channel. So let's continue practice of question paper of sociology RPSC exam. So we have already completed till 50 questions. Now we will look from 51. Question is asking, to whom is the definition of association attributed? Association is working together of people to achieve some purposes. So this question is talking about, answer of this question will be Bogardus. Which of the following criteria was not used by Durkheim for defining a social fact? Externality, values, constraint, generality. So here correct answer will be values. Which of the following is an example of family of orientation? You know, family of orientation is which family in which man is born. So here first option is correct. Question number 54 is asking, the type of suicide that increase in economic crisis is anomic, egoistic, altruistic, professional. Then its answer will be anomic suicide. We know their Emile Durkheim divides suicide in 4 types: anomy, egoistic, there are 2 pairs like egoistic, altruistic, anomic, fatalistic. So egoistic and altruistic are determined by the integration of society, and low integration is called for egoistic suicide, which is example of Protestant, and high integration of society is caused altruistic suicide, which is example of like sati and soldiers sacrifice their lives are example comes in altruistic suicide. Then anomic and fatalistic is determined by regulation of society, how much society regulate on individual. So anomic is the condition of normlessness, when the norm break down, so society norm break down, then anomic suicide is occurred. Fatalistic suicide happened when there are too much rules and regulation on the individual. Then fatalistic suicide is occurred, like slavery and student suicide. This comes in fatalistic suicide. So we also know that Emile Durkheim collect quantitative data from secondary sources to study of suicide, and he collected data from 11 countries. So here he used inductive method. That is why he proposed that a scientific method in sociology is possible. And we know that Emile Durkheim is the academic father of sociology, so he contributed more, and he is a functionalist functionalist follower. Moving on to the next question, who has coined the term Kasi group? McIver, Ogburn, Hyman, Ginsberg. So here correct answer should be Ginsberg. Kasi group are those group in which quality found like primary group and secondary group. Those quality are found. Question 56 is asking, the statuses like husband, wife, and doctor-patient can be called perceived status, polar status, status set, paired status. So here the answer should be polar status, because we know that when two statuses are come in joined like husband, wife, day and night, doctor, patient, so these called polar status. The status set are the all the statuses of a person who occupy all the status of one individual is called status set. But and role set are all the status, all the behavior associated to the role. One person's behave all the play all the roles, so it called be role set. role set status set is given by Robert K. Merton. And paired status, I don't think this status is exist. If may, then I'll be glad if anyone tell me in the comment box. When a kin is referred to indirectly through another kin, the system is known as avunculate, technonymy, imitate, covert. So this is known as technonymy. Among which tribe the bow and arrow presentation ceremony is followed to determine fatherhood of the child? Toda, Kadar, Andaman Islander, News. And this answer of this question will be Toda. We know that Toda bow and arrow ceremony happen where there are many husbands of wives. So polyandry is practiced in among Toda tribes, and their Adelphic polyandry is practiced, in which Adelphic polyandry are there are husbands are brothers. So it is impossible to determine who is the father of the child. So they have the ceremony of the bow and arrow, and thus they select the social father and the genitor father. Genitor and patron, there are two concepts related to the father. So moving on to the next question. According to Durkheim, mechanical solidarity can exist only in simple society, only in a complex society, in both simple and complex society, none of these. So mechanical solidarity, we know that mechanical is like homogeneous society where our individual are same and not same, individual are homogeneous, there are not complexity in between them, and they are likeness. So this type of society is exist in only in simple society. Why not in exist in modern society? Because modern society is very complex society, and there are so many differences, and it is not like a society. There are many type of people, lower caste, higher class, and all so on. So mechanical solidarity is exist in simple society. Why did he coin mechanical like a mechanic, like what you order, robot do the same what you order. But this just likewise in a mechanical solidarity, the state authority like raja and the authority person who said that people do without arguing or without thinking. So these are so that is why this society is called mechanical society. So mechanical solidarity. Question number 60 is asking, which one of the following arguments Durkheim has emphasized in his book, The Division of Labor in Society? The division of labor is disintegrative process. Division of labor as an integrative process. Division of labor is a productive process. Increasing division of labor is harmful. First of all, answer option number 4 is cancel out, because Durkheim never talked about harmful. As we know that Durkheim is from functional perspective, so he gives always positive aspect of the things. So he did not criticize anything. He also gave a positive aspect of crime, and he said that crime is normal. So option sorry, it is not correct answer. Option 4 is cancel out. Then option 1 is telling disintegrate, it is also a negative aspect. So we find our correct answer, which is option number 2, integrative means which try to bind. So which try to division of labor is happened in when it happened when some people do the, like for example if we take BD pencil making. So some people make graphite, some people pencil is very short, we can example of chair, some people make that part of chair, then some people finishing, then some people paint. So this is called division of labor, when a particular work is divided among many peoples, and then they People are specialized in their work. So division of labor bring speciality and proficiency of work, and it is integrative process. If one person did not fully work their work, then they also other people are dependent for them. So that is why, because of division labor, there are moral density in modern society, because people are dependent interdependent of each other. Question number 61 is asking, Communist Manifesto, responsible for several revolutions, was published in the year 1848. Here, so this is the very important, looking this question, we can also assure that we have to learn the published year of the books also, so that we can fetch marks in these type of questions. Question number 62 is asking, the book The Third Wave is authored by Dunbog, sorry if I am not pronouncing well, N.J. Smelser, H.G. Wells, Alvin Toffler. So Third Wave is written by Alvin Toffler. Siemens classification of group is based on social relations, nature of relations, size, nature of membership. So here correct answer will be size. Which of the following illustrates the social structure of the ancient Hindu society? Religious tolerance, non-violence, belief in incarnation, one ashram dharma. Social structure of the ancient Hindu society is illustrated the one ashram dharma. Who said society is sui generis? McIver, Bogardus, Emile Durkheim, Karl Marx. This is also very very important question, and this is said by Emile Durkheim. Emile Durkheim said society is sui generis. What does it mean by sui generis? So he calls sui generis like a thing, like unique, and it comes by generation to generation. So by saying society is sui generis, Emile Durkheim characterized society just that it is exist before us. It is not that when we born then society is accomplished. It is exist before and it will be always there. So it is unique and it is always going by generation to generation. So that is why he give us new term of sui generis to society. Hippies are an example of contraculture, subculture, culture pattern, society. So hippies are example of contraculture. Contraculture are those culture in which people do not follow the people do not follow the maximum. People follow the culture, dominant culture. People deny the dominant culture and they create their own culture. Like he gave the example of this hippie culture is, if I'm not wrong, is given by R.K. Martin. And hippie culture, hippies are the people who are traditional, who wear strength, a very weird type of dress, and it is for weird for us, but they follow. So that is why they become a contra culture, because they do not follow dominant culture. And subculture is the part of culture. Culture pattern is given by Ruth Benedict. And Society is a book by McIver and Page. The term uncle is a classificatory term, contradictory term, descriptive term, narrow term. So L.H. Morgan divide two types of classificatory term and descriptive term. Classificatory term is those term which denotes many terms. Like if we call uncle means chacha, and uncle means mama also in Hindi term, but uncle means also the mother's brother and father's brother. So uncle is denoted to classificative term, and while descriptive term are to denote one particular term to one person. Like father, father will be only one person, mother will be one, father is not to we can say many person father. So these are term which is given by L.S. Morgan, and uncle is a classificatory term. Which of the following is not the rising factor of casteism? Marriage restriction, decline of Jajmani system, westernization, Sanskritization. So, westernization would be correct answer of this question, because westernization did not follow casteism. Westernization is the rising factor of Sanskritization. I mean, is type of Sanskritization in which more people follow the Western culture. Question number 69 is asking, in which of the following books M.N. Srinivas first used the term Sanskritization? Caste in Modern India, Religion and Society Among the Cooks, The Remembered Village, Social Change in Modern India. So here correct answer will be Religion and Society Amongst the Cooks. Religion and Society Among the Cooks of South India. That is the complete name of this book. And also all these options, I mean all the books name is also written by M.N. Srinivas. Caste in Modern India, The Remembered Village book is written in 1976, and this why there are a question in an exam in which a question is asking that why M.N. Srinivas gave his book name of The Remembered Village. So this book is written by his own memory, because the diary and the files he collected from the village all were burned in a fire. So he did not have any document with him, so he wrote this book on his memory. That is why the book called is The Remembered Village. Question number 70 is asking, what kind of group Gotra is? Exogamous, endogamous, cultural, racial. So Gotra is exogamous group. In Hindu society, Gotra is if it's we cannot marry in same Gotra, and it is considered that Gotra is same Gotra is considered our brother and sister. So that is why people marry in exogamous in other Gotra, and endogamous is the feature of caste, which is the marrying in same caste, in own caste. And cultural and racial is not a type of cultural, so is the culture which we follow. Question number 71 is asking, which of the following is a victimless crime? Extremist act, murder, prostitution, rape. So here prostitution will be correct answer. So question number 72 is asking, the abuses given by the bowler to the umpire in a cricket match for not giving the player out is rational action with reference to goal, effective action, rational action with reference to value, traditional action. And correct answer will be effective action, because here the cricketer is giving abuses the umpire because of emotion, and that is why here correct answer will be effective action. Rational action happen when people think rationally and to their goal, and value action is when people give more importance to their value, and traditional action is when people follow traditionally, like if a tribal chief in tribal area is following traditional authority, and what he do, it will be traditional action. Marriage between cross cousins is permitted in Eastern India, Western India, Northern India, Southern India. So here correct answer will be Southern India, because Northern India is cross cousin is not permitted, and Southern India in Dravidian community the cross cousins is permitted. cross cousin marriages happen in which society? People, if we consider ego of the person is married to his mother's brother's daughter, sorry, then it is called cross cousin marriage. Which of the following is not an agency of socialization? School, youth dormitory, army, family. First of all, we have to eliminate in this answer So family is very much agency of socialization. So it is not the correct answer. School also help in socialization. Army, here I am confusing army and youth dormitory. Youth dormitory normally happen in tribal society, and in which young people go there, and they try to live like boys and girls together, and how they learn, if they compatible with their partner, then they will marry. If not, then they will not marry. So your dormitory is army is the desocialization, I mean. So here correct answer will be youth dormitory. Question number 75 is asking, who said status is institutionalized role? Ralph Linton, Kingsley Davis, Robert Birstead, Robert K. Munter. Status is institutionalized role is given by, here also I am little confused in Ralph Linton and Robert K. Merton. So Kingsley Davis will be Kingsley Davis. I read somewhere that oh, what will be the answer of this question? Let do not waste time of this in this question. Keep in doubt. If I found anywhere else, then I will give the correct answer. So for now, this is in doubt. Moving on to the next question. 76 is asking, how many countries included in Durkheim study of society? 9 countries, 10, 11. So correct answer will be 11 countries. Which one is not a type of constructive process? Cooperation, competition, accommodation, assimilation. So here cooperation is also positive, accommodation, assimilation. So here competition is the correct answer. Question number 78 is asking, culture is man-made part of environment. Is this statement given by Herskovits, Tyler, Hoybel? None of this. So here correct answer will be Herskovits. It's very common asking question which is comes in many exams. Question number 79 is asking, who said association denotes membership, institution denote a mode or means of service? Fairchild, Bogardus, Gisbert, and none of these. So here correct answer should be Bogardus. If most probably it will be Bogardus. If not, then I will be let you know. The year 1961 in India is famous for passing an act for banning female infanticide, prevention of domestic violence, prohibition of dowry, stopping and of child marriage. So this year is famous for prohibition of dowry. Prevention of domestic violence is act came in 2005. Stopping the child marriage is come in 1929, which is also called Sarda Act. Delhi University, New Delhi is an example of the concept given by office. Achieved status, descriptive status, station or office. So here correct answer will be office. Which one of the following article in the Constitution of India is related only to the scheduled tribe? So article only to the scheduled tribe is related to article 24, because all the other article like article 330, 332, 335 is related both scheduled tribe and scheduled caste. Who has argued that science is science whether in physics or sociology? So here correct answer will be P.H. Landis. These are definition based question and it is sometimes tough, but if we revise keep revising, then we also learn. Many famous thinkers statements is commonly asked in every exams. Which article of Indian Constitution provide right to freedom of religion? Correct answer will be here Article 25. Pareto's theory of circulation of elite is an example of social change, social control, social stratification, socialization. So, his theory of circulation of elite is an example of social change. Question number 86 is asking which one of the following is the basis concern for the Article 17 of the Indian Constitution? Representation of backward classes, political representation to scheduled castes, abolition of untouchability, reservation of post for scheduled caste. So here correct answer should be abolition of untouchability. Article 70 is asked that untouchability is the crime, and it came in 1955. The factor which does not count in globalization is World Trade Organization, competition, World Economic Forum, westernization. So here easy question. Answer should be westernization. Sorry. Who wrote India's Village? S.C. Dubey, M.N. Srinivas, T.K. Uman, Irapti Karve. So here answer should be M.N. Srinivas. S.C. Dubey wrote Indian Village. Which article of the Constitution deals with the appointment of minister in charge of tribal welfare? So here correct answer should be appointment of Article 164 is for the in charge of tribal welfare. So correct answer should be option number 2. Which of the following factors is not a hindrance in national integration? Casteism, urbanism, regionalism, communalism. So here only one option is giving positive signs, which is urbanism. Urbanism is never hindrance in national integration, while casteism, regionalism, communism is very much threat to national integration. Question number 91 is asking, according to Census 2011, which of the following states or UT has the highest percentage of scheduled tribe population as part of its population? Lakshadweep, Mizoram, Nagaland, Meghalaya. So here correct answer should be Lakshadweep. Question number 92 is asking social control explanation of child abuse is given by Albion Small, Parsons, Baker, Callis. So here should be correct answer will be Callis. Which article of the Constitution deal with specifying a particular tribe as a scheduled tribe? Article 342, 343, 344, 345. So here correct answer should be 342. The term consciousness of kind is coined by Johnson, F. Giddings, Marcel Mauss, George Homan. So here correct answer will be F. Giddings. Marcel Mauss gave the concept of total prestation and gift. George Homan gives human types. Question 95 is a kibbutzian is tribal dance, group of families, carried term for extended family, a religious sect of Mexico. So here answer will be option number 2, group of families. The book Caste in India is written by J.S. Ghure, A.R. Desai, J.H. Hutton, M.N. Srinivas. So here answer should be J.H. Hutton. And J.S. Ghure wrote Scheduled Tribe and Caste and Race in India, And his another is less famous book is the Loni Khand, Before and After. A.R. Desai wrote book on nationalism, like, and social background of nationalism in India. This is the his very much famous book, and also he wrote Peasant Struggle in India. M.N. Srinivas wrote extensive work and book on peasants and on village. M.N. Srinivas, he is the first person who led the field work in Indian society, and he said he was very much follower of field work. So moving on to the next question. National Girls Child Day is celebrated on which day? 24th January, 12th February, 8th March, 4th September. So here correct answers would be 24th January. Proletarianization refers to class consciousness among workers, revolutions of working class, growing number of wage laborers, competition between capitals. So here, what is proletarianization? First, we have to understand this. Marx divide people in classes in two terms, like bourgeoisie, who owns the means of production, and proletariat, who produce the who are the owner of the labor. So the bourgeoisie is the rich, and proletariat are the ones who sell their labor to earn the wages. So here question is asking, proletarianization refers to proletarianization means growing number of wage laborers. How much people are growing, meaning becoming more and more laborers. And while he also gave the term of embourgeoisement, although he not Lockwood and Goldthorpe also work. Embourgeoisement means people of middle class try to imitate or to bring of the lifestyle of bourgeoisie. So correct answer should be option number 2. When Central Social Welfare Board for Women, Children and Physically Different Group was constituted, August 1953, September 1957, August 1955, September 1950. So here answer should be August 1953. Question number 100, asking, the book The Coming of Crisis of Western Sociology is written by Raymond Aron, Peter Berger, Alport, A.W. Goldner. So here correct answer should be A.W. Goldner. So thank you so much for watching this video. If any correction is made, then I will do, and if you have doubt in any question, please ask in comment box. I will be clarify. Thank you so much.